where's this at? Aviano.
We're at this called Boobies.
Biggest car scene out here in Boobies. We're gonna check out the cars. What do you think? What's the most modified thing people installed here? Stickers
from their local.
Got an RX-8. Oh, it's coming out here. Okay. Is this a slammed Challenger?
Yeah. No, it's not slammed.
Cut springs.
You got the TE37.
Alright, I think it starts here. I'm assuming.
Popular fact. Oh shit. Most people that rock all these M stickers and M stripes are typically always not that real M
the
colors.
toe stripe and performance. Ooh, he got a brace. Toe hook. Check the back. Is it a real M?
Nope.
Oh, it's just an M in there?
As long as you got the M stickers, M stripes, and M colors, you M anything.
See, I'm cheating. I'm putting underglow so people, it attracts the males.
Shit.
That's the cheat code. Alright, this is probably a fake Type R.
Yeah.
What do you think? Let's go check. Dude, you were kind of keeping up with me.
Really?
When you pull? Bruh.
That you had
I was like that was a I think second gear pull?
Second gear?
Second gear.
You heard me?
Nah, I looked at my rearview mirror. I was like, I'm not gaining any distance from this guy. He's going at it too.
This the Evo?
Yeah.
Ooh. Little Porsche coming on. Classical. It's a nice yeah. What do we got here? Man, it's dry as hell. I mean, loud. It's loud. Pretty.
Can't hear, dog. All these cars are hurting my ears.
Ooh, got the stock. Oh, yeah, it's clean though. It's clean. It's not being up. We got the Kooky out here. Isn't this Midnight?
No, this is Alex's car.
This is Instagram's Midnight, no?
No, that's the other guy. This is Broca 99.
Oh, okay. I gotta turn my light on. There we go. We got the front mount. Okay. SR.
When was the last time you seen a
Wait.
S14 with
left-hand
leather
drive?
interior? Yeah, from Europe.
From Europe, huh?
Yeah, I've never seen one with leather interior.
That's different.
Maybe I just don't.
Euro trim, dude.
Shit.
It's clean though.
It is.
I missed my Kooky. I had a red one. Hard top manual.
Was it cookie cutter?
98. It's a real. It wasn't like facelift or modified.
Got a PK hatch. Got money in sparkle seats. Oh, not sparkle seats. FK seats.
Got the GR86. They get this over here in the States? Or in Italy? Oh, these are nice.
But the best cars though, you got right here, MAS. Military Auto Source.
Come shop here.
You know,
20%.
If you're military, you know, come get you one of these cars, man. I'll put you in these things. I don't sell cars, but hey, let me know. I'll put you on.
20% APR for E1, E3. Look at this lineup, dude.
See this Volkswagen? Oh, my fault. You see this Volkswagen? I guarantee you, we'll get you as low as $600 a month. Don't worry.
Yo, this car means popping, dude. You got the dude in the truck gonna do some burnouts.
Boy, got the fuck truck.
It's really clean. I wanted one of these, but slow ass engine.
They're fun as hell when they're modified.
Oh yeah.
Shit, this EK.
It needs put a 1J in there.
You could.
Luciano.
Oh, damn, he's sitting on the wrong side.
Dang.
Oh, never mind. He's sitting on the right side.
Yeah, next to the Jay-Z's. It's the police.
Perfecto.
Hey, do a burnout real quick. Come on, Luciano.
I can't. I can't, Abram. I can't.
All right.
No deal.
Va bene, va bene.
I can grab it, but...
To Jay-Z. FMIC. Okay. Where's the blow up valve? This is your blow up valve? Luciano? Your blow up valve?
No.
Where's
Nope.
it?
This one.
Oh, I see. FMIC.
I've never seen a blow valve shit like that. Look like a flashlight.
Wait, that's not OEM?
No,
That's not
not
OEM.
OEM.
Does it sound better?
I'll just try it. Yeah, a bit. Not the...
Oh no,
It's
that's
more
the
deeper.
that's no blow up valve.
Yeah.
Not going froze, so
Can't handle it. How was the pulls? How was the pulls? It was nice.
Fucking sick.
Second gear though. Second gear is insane.
It's the money shot.
This one? All right. Oh yeah, you got some wheels. Man, you got the. Oh, don't do it. It would be a BMW guy.
335i.
And there goes the meat. Time to go home. Yo, was it like 5 minutes into them coming?
Pretty much.
Smoke, crackle. 30 minutes, or 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Got the smoke.
Fast! This bitch is fast!
There goes his valves. What's all that? BMW, of course. I mean, that's probably the same one that did a burnout.
I'm assuming it's a 335i.
In front of the dealership is crazy too.
Fast.
What is
I'm
going
gonna be
on?
like that guy over there, just completely minding his fucking business.
He chilling, bro. We should all be like him. Shit, clunky, dude. Is it wide body? Yep. Damn. Slice, nah. That's clean. See how loud? You got a wide body.
Vai. Dritto così.
Bristol gang. Jay-Z. Oh, that's T.
She's not well doing it, well done work.
Oh, let me turn on the
Yeah, let me take this off.
clean. That's clean. Full set.
Yeah. Is it 40? 86, 40.
What's up with this?
This is bad. This is bad. This is
GPL conversion.
yeah.
What is that? GP?
GPL?
GPL.
Oh, for the
Yeah.
fuel?
Yeah, for the fuel
Emissions.
because
Oh, for
the
emissions.
old owner installed this.
Is it to be legal?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Damn.
That is not normal.
That's a lot of. That's a lot
There are a lot
of.
of things to do.
You have
Yeah,
to
yeah.
respect some emissions regulations to
Which
be in
is
the
Zeta.
city center.
That's wild. I could never. Is that? It costs a lot to do that?
What?
It costs a lot to make it legal. Or no?
No.
Okay. Doing a little shoot with the Jay-Z's. And we got the Type R in his lonely corner. In his lonely corner by himself. Too rare.
I can't afford a Jay-Z, so I'm not allowed.
Yeah, you can just afford a Type R, no big deal. Hey, you trying to contact the aliens?
No, I'm not. 5,000 horsepower.
Oh, total 1,000?
Yeah.
Maybe 4 or
We're
5.
reaching the 4 digits.
Yeah,
Yeah.
4 digits.
Yeah.
They're like 333, so 900 almost.
Almost.
444.
Yeah, 444.
663.
Not something you see in Italy, or not something you see normally. 1J, 2J, 2J, VVTI. Then we got the truck going to the car meet. This looks so sick.
Come ha fatto
It's good lighting compared to that one. It's dim. Too yellow.
intimate.
Got quite the crowd over here. Sheesh. Damn, they all migrate over here. What is that?
Solamente lì che sono tutto su casa.
The window wasn't all the way down. Whew, that was fun. That was the first for me too.
Hey, you heard this one?
I'll turn it on.
You got the
I gotta
timer.
check the engine.